Hey guys, it's Beer O'Clock on Ginger Beer and we are reviewing this one. This is Harviestoun from Scotland. It is their Old Engine Oil Black Ale coming in at 6% in a 330ml tin. There is the tin, nice design, made to look like a tin of oil. As you can see, great little beer this. It's put down as a black ale, but I reckon it's a stout. But let's get it out of the tin and into the glass. Little bit of smoke in there. Wow, look at this. Look at the way that's glopping out. My, that looks excellent, excellente. So we have got a 1 to 2 finger fawn head, a jet black body as you would expect on this one. Pouring it looks really thick and creamy, just the way it should. I'm really excited about trying this now. Let's see what it's like on aroma. Okay, I'm getting roasted malts, chocolate, there's caramel there. Oh, there's raisins, there's sort of a little bit of almond, but a bit of sort of raisin, almost a bit fruit cakey. Chocolate, I think I said. Caramel. I'm going to say toasted bread. I don't know. Yeah, that sort of toasted bread aroma is in there as well. It's quite pleasant, quite pleasant. Lacing is quite good. Oh, it smells quite sweet. Oh, the raisins are now coming through in it. That is quite interesting. Oh, very different smell, different. Let's see what it's like on the mouth, guys. Cheers, everybody. Let's just take a bit more. I'm getting prunes, getting a bit prune through there. I think that's probably, like I said, the raisins, very much raisins now, very rich, thick sort of taste to them. I think I said like almost like a sort of fruit cake, Christmas cake type sort of thing. There's a little bit of anise there, I would think. Just a little bit. Roasted grain, hazelnut. Oh, that raisins, I just can't get over that. I didn't expect that at all. Let me just have a quick another slurp. It is very creamy. It's almost like it's sort of got the lactose in it for a milk stout. It's quite rich and thick. Oh, that is, yeah. There is a rich bitterness at the end of it, but to begin with, the sweet, it's so rich all the way through. That is a real Christmas pudding ale. That's what it is. Yeah, chocolate, cocoa, coffee, a little bit of caramel, fruit, I think I said hazelnut. That is incredible. It's gloppy, it's thick. That really is a winter beer for drinking. 6%, Old Engine Oil. I was just trying to see, I can't see it. That is a very enjoyable beer. That is. I like that. I like it a lot. In fact, I'm going to give it a 1 thumb tip-top-tastic. That really is nice. Find this one if you can, guys. Yeah, very good. I think this one came from Beer Hawk who do incredible beers, loads and loads. Visit their website at www.beerhawk.co.uk for a phenomenal choice of beers. That is so rich, but that is so enjoyable. Oh God, you couldn't do too many of them, but that really is good. Guys, as usual, click on the subscribe button and hear more of my wafflings every time I review a beer. Click on the bell and it will inform you every time I put something fresh on. Find me on Facebook under Ginger Beer, and find me on Instagram under ginger_beer041. Let me know, drop me a line on Facebook, let me know what you're drinking, suggest some beers to review. If you want to know anything about the beers that I have reviewed, I will try and put a link into Beerhawk for this beer and a few of the others I've done, but I keep forgetting to do it. I must get into the habit of doing it. Have a great time, guys, and I'll see you all soon. Cheers, everybody. Oh, good old Harviestoun.